welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share this Bella Hadid inspired makeup and hair look. Although I didn't really share how I did my hair, I did walk through the steps on how I did my makeup just like her. I've never really seen Bella wear a red lip, but I decided to go ahead and play around with the red lip. It's not what I originally had did in the video, but after I was just going through my makeup drawer and looking to see what other lips I had, I fell in love with this orange red color. So I figured, why not just throw this on? So make sure you're already subscribed. Leave a comment down below. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep watching. Want to say hi? Say hi! Are you scared? Hi. Hello. Okay. Hey. Hi. Oh. Seriously, looks like it's gonna rain. Okay, so
I can hold it, but I'm telling you that I'm the only one. Oh. I got it. Hold on as long as you can. I'm not gonna let that long. Oh, shit.
okay, so everyone right now in my house is moving furniture, and for about 4 weeks, our house is going to be full of painters, people redoing the floors, so that is what is going on right now, and that's why it's like extra noisy in my house right now. I've done a Foxy smoky eye look before, so let's get started. Why does everyone keep coming in here?
In where?
No one's talking to you!
Okay.
This was the only time. I'll put her on the bed. Goodbye. Okay, now that I've been interrupted 500 different times, I think I can now get started. So I am gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette today. This has mine, by the way, mine is like really busted. This has all of the shades I'm pretty much gonna be able to work with. All of these browns and all of these darker shades down here are perfect for this look. Oh my god! Literally scared the out of me. He'll also do that in the middle of the night at like 2:30 in the morning. He did it last night. And then sometimes he'll just hear something outside. I don't know what he hears. And he just goes crazy. Just gonna take this lighter brown shade and go right in the crease. I'm just gonna lift that higher than I normally would. Blending this really lightly to the front of my brow. I don't want it to be too harsh because I want all the makeup to show and hit high up here. So I just want everything to be really dark and smoky up here. So like besides makeup right now, me and my family, well, me, my mom, and my sister, we just finished, like every other teenage girl and every other person out there that watches Netflix, we just finished Outer Banks, and oh my god, it was so good. We tried it for like a day, like the first episode or second episode, and then I think most of us gave it up. We were just so done with it because it's usually pretty slow. It doesn't pick up until maybe episode 3 or 4. I don't really remember, but It is such a good show. If you haven't watched it, you need to watch it. This warmer brown, right on a little bit above the crease, like not exactly in it, but a little bit above, just because we want everything to sit high. I don't want to put it like right in the center of where my arch starts. I kind of want to flick it out, but like lightly. Can you guys see how I'm kind of blending that outwards? Kind of like in a swoopy motion. Bella has, and it doesn't really look like she has a cut crease. It's just all of those brown shades. So we are just gonna stick with brown shade. This color right here, Chip, and I'm gonna put that right here where my V begins to go up. Where the freak? Okay, here it is. My little mirror. I don't know, like I always have to do my makeup in like small mirrors now. Like I cannot do it in a big mirror anymore. Like I feel like it's harder. Okay. And I just started where this corner ends, and I'm just brushing up. And I'm just taking a little bit of that dark chip color and I'm like flicking it up, trying to give it more of a smoky, lifted look. It's kind of so it looks more effortless. And that you didn't put a lot of work into it, but this just requires a lot of blending and a lot of patience. So take your time, don't rush it. This is called NYX, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my lid. I'm kind of like looking down into the mirror just so I can see where exactly this shadow is hitting, and it's hitting exactly where I want it to hit. I can see it. I'm just gonna blend. You see how I'm just kind of blending that out to give that cat eye fox look. I'm gonna go ahead and take SBN. Taking e.l.f. liner. Well, I have been using these Kiss lashes, Pompadour. It is so damn bright. I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on. L'Oreal Telescopic, I've been using them probably since 7th grade or 6th grade, I can't remember. So, this wand gets back in. I've been using the I think it's called the Grande Lash Serum, and it's been helping my eyelashes grow. So I feel like with this mascara, it just makes them 10 times longer. Oh my god, the sun! I thought it was supposed to rain today. Like, what happened? Like, no rain happened. Not that I want rain, but oh my god. It was not.
Maybe I can take a good picture then. Oh my god. Then I have to do my hair. Oh my god. I can't remember the last time I actually did my hair. Alright. I have to hurry up.
I take a little bit of this, and I forgot who this is by, but I'll link everything below. I'm just gonna put this in the corner. And I love doing highlight in the inner corner. This is Cotton Candy. I went ahead and put on my eyelashes. We're gonna go ahead and do the inner corner. Now, I don't like to do this with liquid eyeliner. I find that really irritates my eyes, so I am just gonna go ahead and take a dark eyeshadow and do that instead. I'm gonna go ahead and take a small brush like this, and I just go from literally my tear duct, and I just flick it out a little bit. Go take my white liner, put that in my waterline. I always do this. I'm going to take Nude Beige. I love this color. I learned a cool new trick how to line your lip. Just fill it in kind of straight, and then follow your lip line down to the corner, and then you just focus the filling in on the top and the bottom center so it looks fuller, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. See, I'm just doing this. Take a line.
This is not a liner brush. This is. I don't know what this is.
This I just use for concealer, and it helps. So I went ahead and did my lips, lined them, put lipstick on them. I used Stripped. This is just kind of a pinky kind of color, and I just put that in the center. Glossed it with the NARS. It's like satin with the Velvet Lip Glide in Unlaced, and I put that right in the center. I also just baked a little bit of my face. I wanted up here to look really lifted, so I wanted to go ahead and bake that. And just the sides of my nose, my forehead, my sides of my cheeks. So I'm probably gonna dust that off. Alright, so that looks good, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do my hair real quick